What's happening? I was just waiting.
Oh, you can do it. Yes. Not actually touching it. Go quick. What?
Ooh.
Yeah, James. You can do it.
Server. Scooch it up.
You won't get burnt, trust me.
Woo!
Does it hurt?
I felt it.
It's hot, but it won't burn you.
I don't really want to do anything else now.
You just gotta get used to that, and then you can. There you go.
Ooh.
Okay.